death of Sushant Singh Rajput itself has turned into a battle of pride for many, and Kangana Ranaut has added a new twist. You've got now a situation where Bihar politicians are saying justice for Sushant, and in Bengal now, you've got the Congress saying justice for Riya Chakrabarti, who was denied bail today. And you've got a situation where Kangana Ranaut becomes Himachal ki beti, and the Shiv Sena says, we are invoking Maharashtra's pride. Is this the kind of politics that we want to see in our country? Is it at the end of the day, सब कुछ इसी तरह राजनीति है? Take a look.
Bollywood and politics always made a heady mix, but never so like today. The death of an actor and the events that followed have taken over the political discourse entirely, stirring up regional pride and sub-nationalism. Kangana Ranaut's statements comparing Mumbai to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and the Maharashtra government to the Taliban have angered the Shiv Sena so much, the party is now fighting for Marathi pride, bulldozing Kangana's allegedly illegal office building and ordering a probe into her alleged drug use.
उद्धव ठाकरे, तुझे क्या लगता है कि तूने फिल्म माफिया के साथ मिलके मेरा घर तोड़ के मुझसे बहुत बड़ा बदला लिया है? आज मेरा घर टूटा है, कल तेरा घमंड टूटेगा.
Threaten and intimidation is what is coming from her. औकात देखते हैं, किसके बाप की हिम्मत है, तुझे देख लूंगी. Is this a language anybody uses in a city, in a country like India?
Himachal Pradesh, rather its BJP government, meanwhile is upset the daughter of the soil is facing trouble in Maharashtra.
हिमाचल की बेटी कंगना रनावत ने सिर्फ अपनी आवाज बुलंद की और अपनी आवाज में कुछ बातों का जिक्र किया जिसमें जो है प्रतिशोध की भावना, बदले की भावना से उन्होंने ये कार्रवाई की है. ये सचमुच में दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है.
It all started from Bihar. Politicians of the state heading for polls later this year demanded a CBI probe into Sushant Singh Rajput's death and got one ordered. Now the ruling BJP there is using campaign posters featuring Sushant and is claiming victory in their battle for justice.
देखिए, रिया का बेल रिजेक्ट होना न्याय की ओर एक बढ़ता हुआ कदम है. बिहार का बेटा सुशांत सिंह राजपूत मौत केस में जिस तरीका से महाराष्ट्र सरकार मिल करके और उनको बचाने का, अपराधियों को बचाने का काम कर रहे थे, आज समाज के सामने एक बहुत बड़ा रैकेट सामने आता नजर आ रहा है.
Sushant's girlfriend Riya Chakrabarti, booked for allegedly buying drugs for Sushant, is finally getting some support in Bengal though.
রিয়া কি যখন একটার পর একটা ঘটনায় ফাঁসাতে চাইলেও ফাঁসাতে পারছে না, কিন্তু ফাঁসাতে হবে. না ফাঁসালে বিহারে ভোট হবে না, না ফাঁসালে বিজেপির ভোট হবে না, তাই তাকে ফাঁসাতে হবে যেভাবেই. তাতে ডাক্তার আরো কিছু হলে আর কি পকেট মারি করে তা বলেন.
BJP is going for jugglery. BJP is setting their mind to win the election at the cost of Riya and this Sushant Singh. We don't believe. We believe that truth will come out and justice will be given to Sushant and Riya.
Even the state unit of the BJP, which is making Sushant's death an election issue in Bihar, is careful in its comments on Riya.
A thorough investigation must be done. Today, the way media is hounding her and trying to demonize Riya Chakrabarti, that is not correct at all.
Kangana Ranaut and Riya Chakrabarti are now at the center of a raging political controversy. One a willing participant, the other a possible pawn. Many opposition parties feel regional pride could be the only weapon that can blunt the Hindutva card, which has given the BJP rich electoral dividends. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.